All right, we're going to do a little tracking test here. Let me go in here and hit some parameters here. Probably don't need to track this high. No, it's close. Maybe medium. Okay, let's go flat. Okay, so we're gonna foul flat here. Here we go. We're at the down here near the library at Margate City. Got the Martin Bloom Community Pavilion over here, and of course on this side here is the library. Uh-oh, so I was trying to get in front of me. I forgot I had to set in front. So okay, let's do foul. It's gonna be difficult. Let's foul from the back here. Okay, now it's gonna follow me from the back. All right, it's more dramatic. It followed me from the back here, I think, because you can see this thing I'm walking through here. This little archway, we'll call it. All right. So see the obstacle avoidance kicking in there. I'm not doing a screen recording, but it was kicking in here. Okay, here we got some holiday lights here at the library. We're going to, again, walk through this gauntlet here of holiday lights, and looks like it's doing great here. All righty. So we're, it's sun's starting to go down here, so we're in a little bit of low light. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn around and have the drone fly in front of me this time. Okay, it started to go in the back, but it's going to stay in front of me this time here. See if it hits anything now. Like it's kind of to the side, yeah, it's kind of to the left there, but I wanted to get right in front of me. Yeah, there, that's a little bit safer position. Okay, so it's doing good. And now I'm going to see if I can fool it here. Uh-oh, I don't want to do this. It may hit this tree here, so I'm going to put it to my my left here. And kind of help it out a little bit here. Yep, she's doing good. Okay, so I'm kind of wide open spaces again here. This is where they have summer concerts and stuff in the summertime. See if it does that thing to try to get behind me again. All right. Hey, we're in front of this. Oh, there's dashing around trying to stay in front of me there. I kind of fooled it for a second here. So let's do this here. Now it looked like it could have dangerously backed into this tree here, but it did not. So let me put it on this side here, my right side. It sure moves around fast when it's doing that. But you see the tree? Okay. There we go. Hi. And let's go a little higher here to get a better view of the tree here. Oops, no, I didn't want that. That's medium far. Let's go high here. And there's a tree. And of course it didn't pitch the gimbal, so it needs to be far. How about far away? And there we go. Now I can see the tree a little bit better. And I can move the gimbal here. I think. I'm not having any good luck moving the gimbal, but you can see the tree here. So there we go. Okay, let's try this feature here where it takes the 3 photos of you. So I'm going to stop this. All right, we're going to move to file again. All right, she's filing again. We're kind of walking back the same way we came in here. No traffic coming. I guess we can proceed here. All right, we'll walk over to the playground over here. See if we can make it around here. Kind of walking under this, like around the restrooms here. See how she's doing here. Maybe getting a little dark. Okay, here we are at the playground.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
Okay, here we're at the playground here. Oh, I've never walked this bungee surface before. So let's see, let's do it from the front. So it stays in front of me. Yeah, it's at the kids' playground here. Oops. It's flying crazy here. Okay, let's see. See if it can stay in front of me and not hit anything. There we go. What a shot. What a shot. And you had a little beep. Subject too close to aircraft. I'll walk out here so it won't back into anything here. I'm lucky no one's around here for me to bother. Of course, off season here at the shore. I don't see a soul around today. So we'll walk up here to the little kind of where you sit up here and watch the beach. Of course, you can't really do that anymore since they put the dunes in and they're kind of too high, but we're going to go up here anyways. Little observation point. See how she's doing. And she does a good job of staying in front of me. Right? Aren't you? Okay. Get all the way around. And let's go up these steps here and hope she doesn't hit the steps. Oh, she knows. She knows I'm going uphill. But that was a good maneuver. Nice maneuver. So, okay. Did very good here. How high we are. There's the fishing pier. I guess good telemetry here. Okay, we're 49 feet up. Okay. And let's go this way a little bit. There you go, looking down towards Atlantic City. And let's go look the other way towards Longport, Ocean City, and then the sun. Oh, there's the sunset. There it is. Oops. Yeah, I mean, hey, stop. You turned too far there, boy. Okay, there you go. You got a little sunset going on there. There we are. And let's see how. Go a little bit higher. Come right above me again.
Battery level, low battery. Return to home promptly.
Cancel that. Go a little bit higher. There's your sunset. Okay, time to come on down.